small enough to hold in your hand, here is the world's smallest four-stroke engine. Even children can operate it easily. Already, more than 5 million powerful, small four-stroke motorcycle engines have been manufactured. The world's highest precision DOHC engines for cars and trucks. Safe and easy-to-use generators and farm tillers. Honda produces a wide variety of products powered by quiet, powerful, dependable four-stroke engines. Honda has proven the safety and reliability of its engines and vehicles by winning international Grand Prix races for both motorcycles and automobiles. Less than 18 months after its first effort, Honda won a 1500cc Formula One World Championship race. Powerful 1000cc Honda engine mounted in a Brabham chassis was victorious in 11 consecutive Formula 2 races during 1966. This is the Design Center, the Honda Research and Development Company. President Honda makes his headquarters here. He personally tries out every new vehicle and every new engine designed. He discusses every development thoroughly with his engineers. No product ever leaves the Design Center without the President's personal okay. "800 technicians work here." The six-cylinder 250cc racer. This is a sample of engines of the highest precision, which result from such intensive research. Research, and yet more research by these dedicated, untiring engineers and designers results in absolute design superiority. New materials and processes are tested constantly with the most modern equipment of all types. This is the dynamometer room. There are 26 dynamometers, all operated by remote control. These machines are used to test engine durability, design, and performance. This is the low-temperature laboratory. In polar climate temperatures, engines are checked to see how the extreme cold affects performance, starting, and other operations. Here's the non-echo chamber. Both internal and external noises are defined precisely and the source identified so that modifications can be made to produce extremely quiet engines. The exhaust gas test room. Test after test is performed to develop engines which do not produce harmful exhaust gases. Many types of tests are also conducted under actual running conditions outdoors. Rider physical fatigue is checked exactly. Here, the test is for tire adhesion. Tests are repeated time after time. Also tested vigorously are the handling, safety, and durability of each model. From overall design through the design of even the smallest part, thorough testing at all stages is carried out before the final blueprints are drawn and sent to the factories. Wristwatch-like precision, reliability, and long life, for which Honda is famous around the world, is made possible by the most ultra-modern automated factories, where quality control is the watchword. For instance, Honda designs and manufactures many of the machine tools for its factories. In order to manufacture unsurpassed products, Honda found it has to have unsurpassed machine tools. Let's see how Honda products are manufactured. Parts made of the highest quality materials, such as crankshafts and gears, are heat-treated to assure strength and long life. Automatic control guarantees constant high quality. Completed parts are ready for the assembly line. This building houses huge presses. These automated presses stamp out motorcycle frame and automobile body parts. Parts from the press room are welded together. Spot welding, seam welding, arc welding, all done automatically by machines. Frames and bodies are being painted. Perfect rust prevention and beautiful finishes are produced by this modern electro-painting process. Painted frames move to the assembly line. A roll of flat steel is bent and formed into a motorcycle wheel, including spoke holes, all by a single automatic machine. The plating section. Here, too, everything is automated to produce beautiful, uniform chrome plating. Plastic extrusion machine. Plastic parts for various models are made here. Aluminium alloy die casting. A huge high-pressure press casts high-quality engine blocks one after the other. Honda-produced cylinder head boring machine performs 108 separate operations, with the cylinder head being worked on from 8 angles. All finished parts are moved to the assembly line, ready to be built into complete machines. This is the engine building section. From 50cc gasoline engines to powerful large machines and even diesels, each engine has its own assembly line. Completed engines go to the break-in operation section for running in and adjustment. Next, the engines are sent to the final assembly line. The frames are fitted to the engines, and then all other components are assembled. Let's watch Honda products being put together on the assembly lines. Fully assembled machines are tested for output, acceleration, brakes, electrical systems and other things under actual running conditions. pass the final testing, go to the crating section for shipment to customers around the world the same day. This is the world's largest and most modern motorcycle factory. Smaller machines, such as the Honda C50, are produced at the Suzuka factory. 100,000 are made here each month. That's 4,000 every day. Here is a part of a single day's production. Motorcycles larger than 125 cc's, outboard motors, multi-purpose engines, generators, tillers and other products are made at the Hamamatsu factory under the most strict quality control. Engines and transmissions for Honda automobiles are produced by the Saitama factory. The cars and trucks are manufactured at the Sayama factory. Trucks, sports cars, station wagons and automobiles are made here. This is one of the Honda showrooms in a large Japanese city. Rather than merely lining up products side by side, Honda has created a truly unique and impressive display. The Parts Center, where parts for all Honda products are stocked. Each and every spare part for the dozens of Honda products are ready here for immediate shipment anywhere in the world. All Honda automobiles have single or double overhead camshaft engines. They give tremendously high performance of up to 80 horsepower per liter. Honda was the first to produce a dependable portable generator. The series includes light and compact machines, as well as heavy-duty battery chargers. A reliable, high-performance tiller. Powerful, dependable Honda engines are useful in many ways, for many jobs, in all sorts of places. From technological, barrier-challenging Formula One races to motors for amusement park rides, Honda continues its quest for the best engines in history and for the safest vehicles ever produced. Honda motorcycles are being sold in 136 countries, covering 5/6 of the globe. Honda has become a way of life for people around the world. Honda, marching ever forward, the world's largest manufacturer of motorcycles.